All right, we're going to do a product review. I just got this from Costco, and going to open her up. I've got this special device that does that. So I've got this special device, and we just kind of cut right on it. Makes it so much easier to get this stuff open. All right, there we go. Now it should just pop right open. And it feels very sturdy. Right from the get-go. This thing feels super sturdy. Very nice. All right, let's put that there. This thing here is ridiculous. I mean, this is going to go in a landfill. Probably costs more than this thing to make. So stupid. All right, so we got our batteries. And so I believe what we're going to do is we're just going to unscrew this back part. I'm not going to read any directions. I'm just going to do it. And I think they're going to go in, I would think this way. I would think that we put them in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to tighten this baby back on. So I got this at Costco. It was 20 bucks. All right, let's see how she works. Woo! Blinded by the light. All right, check this out. You ready? Wow. That thing is super strong. Look at this. Works great. All right, I think we're good. I think we like this bad boy. Super bright. This is what it looks like. So it's definitely a what you would call a man, this thing is super, feels really good. Very strong. You could hit somebody with this and knock them out. This would be a good weapon. So cycle 1, light comes on, turn it off. Cycle 2, smaller light comes on, turn it off. Cycle 3, even tighter light. Cycle 4. So it's the 4th click that gets it into the epileptic seizure mode. All right, so I have to remember that. All right, so that's how you turn it on and off. You press this right here in the end. All right, so we're saying that this is an excellent tool. It's super heavy. You can use it for self-defense if you need it to, and you can see your way through the dark. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Like I said, subscribe to my channel. I'll check out some other stuff, and I'll tell you all about it. Hey, peace out.